Ever coded late into the night only to worry a robot will take your job someday? Fear not, programmers. While artificial intelligence is making wave in the tech world, today we are decoding the truth. Will AI replace the programming entirely? Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI and its impact on the programming landscape. Buckle up, let's hit the compile. First of all, AI is a teammate, not a terminator. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not here to steal your keyboard. Imagine a teammate which is super efficient and which automates your repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. For example, code completion. AI can suggest the snippets and function as you type, saving you tons of time and reducing errors. It also used for bug squashing. For example, AI can help identify bugs and potential issues in your code before they cause problems. Also, it enhances your efficiency. For example, AI powered testing tool can automate repetitive test cases, freeing you focus on more complex logic. Companies like GitHub are already integrating AI features that helps developers write cleaner and efficient code. On the human edge, it is creativity and problem solving. But here is the thing, AI can't replace that spark of human ingenuity. Programmers bring a unique way of creativity, problem solving, and deep understanding of needs of users that AI simply can't replicate. For example, designing innovative solutions. AI can't come up with next groundbreaking app or complex software architecture. That's where your vision comes in. Also, understanding user intent, like building user-centric software, requires a human touch. AI can analyze data, but programmer translate that data into user-friendly experience. The future of programming is not battle between human and AI, but a powerful collaboration. Imagine programming wielding the best AI tools to write code faster, fix bugs efficiently, and focus on the creative aspect of software development. So, should you be worried about AI taking your job? Not necessarily. Instead, embrace AI as a valuable tool and focus on honing your irreplaceable human skills. So, here is what you can do. Keep learning about AI and how it can enhance your programming skills, upscale yourself, focus on the areas like user experience design, complex problem solving, and staying up to date with the latest programming trend. Also, embrace the future. See AI as teammate, not a threat. Together you can create amazing things. Let us know in the comments below, how do you see AI impacting the future of programming? Share your thoughts and be the part of the conversation. See you in the next video. Bye bye.